Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making moist banana snacking cake. This is a really delicious snacking cake even though it's made with simple ingredients. In fact, it doesn't require any eggs or milk. And so the ingredients are things that you'll have around the house, and if you've run out of those things, you can still put this cake together in no time. And it's definitely worth making. Want to know how to make this? Stay with me and I'll show you how. Just so that you know, my homemade meals and appetizers cookbook is on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. Now for today's featured recipe. We'll be using a large mixing bowl, and we'll pre-measure a few simple ingredients. Start by adding 1 cup of light brown sugar, then half a cup of canola oil, half a cup of water, and 1 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. And the riper the bananas, the better. You'll need a half a cup of mashed banana. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, or vanilla extract if that's what you have on hand. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And yes, that's as simple as it gets. You add everything together in the one bowl, add your whisk attachment, and beat that until it's really well combined. And when I'm using my large mixer like this, I'll stop and scrape the sides of the bowl down. And then continue to mix just until that's incorporated. It's ready. Now you can see the consistency here. We'll go ahead and prepare our pan. We'll grease an 8 by 8 inch square cake pan and pour the batter in. And you know, I suppose you could use a 9-inch round pan as well. Bear in mind that the baking time may vary depending on the size of pan you're using and the thickness of the batter. And I always even the batter out in the pan so that it bakes evenly. Place this in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven that's been preheated. And even though I set a timer, I usually check it before the timer goes because sometimes it cooks a little bit quicker than you thought. So this one actually took about 25 minutes. I checked it with a toothpick and the toothpick came out clean. So sometimes you'll need between 20 and 30 minutes depending on the size of the cake pan. I place it on a wire rack to cool completely before I dust it with some icing sugar. You can use a screen or a sifter, and I sift on a generous amount of the icing sugar. Some call it confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. And you know, the purpose of this video is to keep it as simple and easy as possible, and I think we've done that. Now it's ready and we'll go ahead and serve this up. Who wants a piece? Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe. And until next time, happy eating. Now go make some.